Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a very short tutorial on this hair. Okay, so this hair is not going to take your time, just follow through. Alright, so first we start by arranging our hair, comb out what needs to be combed, detangle everything, and then we're going to go straight into the hairstyling. So I'm going to part my hair into two. So my line is not exactly straight because there was no one to check it for me when I started, but it was a little bit better, not very crooked. It wasn't all straight but not crooked. So just go ahead and part all the way to the back. Try as much as possible, try as much as you can to have a smooth or straight parting. So with that being said, after that I decided to comb the hair again just to make sure every part is cleared, right? And then I use, if you have a rubber band, you can use a rubber band, but I did not use a rubber band because I use this wool here. Then I use it to pack the hair. So after tying the hair, you're going to cut out the excess part of the yarn, the excess part of the wool, okay? So it will not linger around your hair. I did not cut it out immediately. The reason why I had to use this wool is because I didn't have a rubber band at hand, but then not just that, it did not cut out my hair. You know, sometimes when you use a rubber band and without oiling, or most times even with oiling, you can still find patches of your hair on the rubber band, but this wool didn't do that, and it held onto my hair firmly. I'm not saying tight, firmly. All right, it didn't cause headache, but sometimes the rubber band might not just hold on like that. So then again, I went with my kinky. This is an old kinky. I'm going to part the two bond I created into two, and then I'll use the kinky on the first one. Okay, I want to have two twists in one hair, in one bond, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm going to do it into two, and I'm going to start twisting it in more like in a big twist, chunky twist. I think you're going to have to look for the color of your kinky. I used the black kinky, but I feel like the color of my hair is brown. So maybe next time when I want to do something like this, I'll go for brown. So yeah, basically that's what I did. And then I went ahead with the second hair. And I twisted all the way from the top down to the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to part it and I'll twist it, put the kinky in it and twist. Alright, so this is the part I said I do not cut out the excess because I know there was a scissors close by, but then I did cut it off after everything. You're going to make sure that you twist from the beginning to the end, slowly and gently, fixing in all your hair. So I'm going to do this to the second part of my hair. So I'm going to have 4 hairs. Yes, 4, 2 in 1, making it a total of 4. And after that, this is where I'm going to trim the excess down there. And then I use my bobby pin. So I didn't know that I wasn't really sitting close to the camera anymore, but I'm basically going to tie this hair. I'm going to tie both of them just the way I did here. I'm going to tie both of them. It's really simple. This is just a trick here. I'll tie both of them and wrap the ends to each side of the hair. Wrap it here, use my bobby pin to hold it down. Even without using bobby pin, you know it can still hold it down if you know how to tie it well, right? So I okay, for the other side, after a while I removed the bobby pin and everything was still intact. Nothing went off, nothing went out, nothing went off. Okay, so I'm so sorry that I did not sit directly to the camera. I thought I was facing the camera, to be honest. I'm so sorry. So with that being said, you're going to trim off the excess hair anywhere you see it, not your hair. It could be the kinky or the yarn that you used, but that's it for that. And so yeah, this is what we got. This hair is perfect for weddings. It is perfect for parties. It is perfect if you just want to do something with your natural hair without having to put it in a high bun. It is beautiful, to be honest. I have people who are telling me, oh, your hair is so fine, and I did not do so much. Okay, this hair can take like 5 to 10 minutes of your day. Okay, all right. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you want me to make more hairstyle video. Okay, bye.